Alright traders, I'm back again with another video, and I guess I'm giving you a bunch of videos today, overload. This is the fourth video of the day, but I just really want to try to get you guys to see this stuff, understand it, and be able to start doing this your own self, and then you guys could pass it on to somebody else. So I'm just passing it on. But basically I want you to see what I did on this TradingView site, and this was 9 days ago. So 9 days ago, Wednesday, May 8th, I made this analysis on the euro dollar. A lot of people were calling the euro dollar to go higher, okay? And using the Ichimoku system, I could see that I didn't believe it was going to go higher. And let me show you why, and let me show you the analysis that I did, and basically what I did. You see I have the Kumo cloud here, so this is the non-traditional way. Now I have the Kumo cloud here, but I don't have my Chiku span, I don't have my Tenkan-sen or my Kijin-sen. So those are gone. I'm using just using this Kumo cloud for breakouts and for Kumo bounces. Okay, so that's all I'm doing when I'm trading here, right, like this. And then I can trade fractal levels also, fractal level breaks and bounces. But what I saw on this chart was basically everyone, a lot of people at the time in stock twits were saying that this was going to go higher, and then I saw a lot of analysis on TV and watching people say that euro is going to move higher, it's going to move to this certain level. Well, I didn't see that, because if you look here you could see where Kumo cloud is. Now this is the non-traditional way, like I said, and so my settings were different. I have my settings at instead of 9 it's going to be 18, instead of 26 it's going to be 52, and instead of 52 it's going to be 104. So it's going to be 18, 26, and 18, 52, and 104. So that's going to be your settings for your Ichimoku. And I have this 100 period moving average here. So this 100 period moving average. Now what I saw was price made this high here, and then price retraced. Okay, so now price started moving down, and when price moved down it started moving back up. But when it moved up, I saw it hit this Ichimoku cloud one time, two times, three times. So I said, this is the third hit on this cloud, this is gonna fall. And sure enough, this fell, because the Ichimoku cloud, the Kumo cloud, is holding a strong resistance. It's a strong resistance level, and it's one that you have to see, and other traders don't see it, but I'm sure they see these other support levels here, because this would have been a support level right here. So if you don't pay attention to support and resistance, it wouldn't have been a support level but rather a resistance level, because it's underneath. And if people aren't paying attention to these support and resistance levels, then that's where they're going to have issues. You have to pay attention to support and resistance. I think it's one of the main things in trading, and I always talk about it. That's all I trade is support and resistance levels. Well, anyway, the price moved down, then it moved back up. Well, when it moved up, you could see it was a 50% retracement level right here. Alright, so this 50% retracement level in line with the cloud, with this Kumo cloud, this was a strong resistance area. So of course I'm looking for this to fall, and my target is right here. Alright, so 9 days ago, let's see what happened since. We'll load new bars on here and you can see where we are. Well, price hit that target. Well, price bounced where I told you, and then came down, and it's close to the target where I told you it would be. This is the only reason I didn't know, but figured it would go here, or thought that it might go here, was because of this this support level here. Price came back down, got to this support. Price was here, found this resistance level. You could have said maybe here price would have found support and then went back up, but price broke that level and then went to this major support level, and it's pretty close to that level. So we'll see where it is in a couple days. Next week it'll probably hit that level, and then from there, is euro going to go back up, or is euro going to go back down? We'll have to see how it reacts, but if it goes back up, it'll make another attempt to break through here, and then that's where we'll make a decision on what we want to do. But just showing you that this other way of trading, the Ichimoku, really works. I mean, I can show you so many trades. It's basically the only way that I trade. I don't really trade the Kumo twists. I mean the TK crossovers, because I don't like getting in on the crossovers for a lot of reasons. I mean, I'm not saying those aren't good trades, but the way I trade and my mentality is better for breakouts. Other people's mentality may be different, so you can trade different ways. Some people like to trade the crossovers, so I like to see the breakouts. I like to see the momentum of the market moving. When there's a breakout, there's some momentum moving. All right. So if you just learn this stuff and learn these support and resistance areas, and just learn the flow of the market, how the market moves and where it moves to, where it moves back and forth to, you'll be able to do this same thing. And then pay attention to your Ichimoku cloud, because that's going to tell you the bias of the market, and it's going to show you a lot of support and resistance. This is going to be future support or resistance. So if the price comes back up, it has to go through this cloud, which is all resistance here, and then this is the top level of resistance. It's going to be a hard level to break. So we'll see some action there if price does get to that point. But traders, that's it. I mean, just wanted you to see this, and don't want to just babble on with nonsense. So I guess I'm done. And you can see the chart for yourself. It tells you everything. 3 attempts to break the Kumo resistance, could not do it. Fell back down. Where did it fall to? Support. It's easy, same thing all the time. Alright traders, well, that's about it. Until next time, God bless.